What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty. Welcome back to Dividend Style here. Here we talk about passive income, dividend investing, online businesses, passive income. That's the goal of this channel. Before I begin, I'm not giving any financial advice. I'm not giving any advice in the stock market. I'm not an expert at stocks at any forms, any form. So if you need professional help, please seek an accountant, a professional stockbroker for your stock needs. I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy on YouTube. Before I begin, I have a course down below. If you want to start an online business from home, the course down below is Let's Day Marketer 15-day challenge. It's $7, one-time fee, and also come with a business coach. You connect on Skype. They'll help you through the course. They'll go through your background and come up with a plan that they'll tailor to you to start your online business journey. And again, online business, dividend investing are two things that, one is passive, and two, you could do it from anywhere. You can do it from anywhere. Also, in a connection, you can get passive income, and that's the goal. So in this video, what's the best stocks for dividend investing? And that's a hard question to ask. I am not giving any financial advice. I'm not giving any advice on anything about the stocks. What's better? This is my personal opinion. I'm not an expert. So for me, everyone's goal is different, right? So I'm 34 now. I'm trying to retire when I'm 40. So that's 6 years. So I got time. Sometime I want to retire when I'm 40. So you want to be a dividend investor. You got to come up with a strategy for you. Are you investing in dividends for your retirement? Are you doing dividends for another stream of income to use for bills? What is your goal? Okay, so you could be a young person. You could be 19, 18 years old. You got time. So I got time too, but I want to retire sooner than later. Everyone's goal is different. A lot of guys on YouTube have a lot of quarterly dividends paying stocks, Exxon and Pepsi and McDonald's and Walmart and Walgreens, Bank of America. They have a lot of blue chip stocks that pay every 3 months. And those guys are typically younger. Those guys are typically, most of them are at home, but younger. They don't have kids. They don't have their own place. And the people who have their own place with kids buy monthly paying stocks. They want that cash flow monthly. So it depends on what kind of person you are. Me personally, I like the monthly paying stocks because I get the dividend sooner versus waiting 3 whole months, 4 times a year compared to 4 times a year compared to 12 times a year is a big difference. Then my bills come monthly, so my dividends come monthly. My goal from the beginning of the channel is to make $500 a month in passive income. So, I'm gonna need monthly paying stocks. 90% monthly paying stocks. So most of my stocks pay monthly. I have AT&T and Altria, but most of my stocks pay a monthly dividend. Now for my son, my son probably 3. So for him, I'm gonna set him an account Fidelity, and excuse me, and then I'm gonna set him a custodial account. I'm gonna start buying him stocks, and I could go blue chip. I can go quarterly for him because he get nothing but time. He get nothing but time. And in my state, you can't get your money until or stock till you're 21. So I'm like 18 years for that to grow, compound over time. So he got plenty of time. He can go buy it annually if he wants to. He has nothing but time. He can retire in 30, 40 years. 30 years. So it's a long time to wait. So it depends on you. Me personally, I like the monthly because they pay every month. You can reinvest it. The snowball will go faster with the monthly paying. And sometimes you look at it, if a dividend stock pays you 85 cents and it's like Tria, for example, MO, the stock price is $48, but they're paying you, I think, 86 cents a share. Compare that to Main Street Capital, which is $41, they're paying you 20 cents. If you wait 3 months, let's just say Main Street Capital was a quarterly dividend paying stock. So you do 3 times 20, which is 60 cents. So you could pay 60 cents for Main Street Capital for quarterly, but Altria pays 86 cents for $7 more. So they pay more in dividends for a little more money. So you see how sometimes you got to break down, because it pays you monthly, and you turn that monthly stock to a quarterly stock. Is it worth investing in? And again, it's like with Altria and Main Street Capital. They take Altria and Armor REIT. It pays 10 cents a share, so I'm gonna need at least 8 shares to get 80 cents. So 8 shares, but the price is let's refresh this. The price is right now. It won't let me scroll up. I think almost $11, $10. So I'm gonna need to spend at least $90 to get 80 cents. So it's double the price of almost of Altria. It pays every 3 months. So sometimes you gotta look at that. You gotta look at time and what is your goal. Okay, so for my son, I probably do 60-40, 40% quarterly and 60% monthly. Cause I want that snowball effect happen as soon as it can. I want the dividend coming in at 10-20 cents and reinvest it back into the stock, and do that every single month. And the quarterly one's the same way. So what's dividend paying stock is the best? You have to do your own research. You have to find what company you want to invest in, what company you see yourself long term. You want to see who's best of the best. You want to, you want to see who's the best of the best. It will let me. So, but it will get stuck. You want to see who's the best of the best. You want to see the company, the numbers, the dividend history of their good company. Go on YouTube, go on Google, and search the companies you want to invest in. You want a monthly or quarterly. I think more people are switching to monthly. A lot of ETFs are coming out now that's paying monthly. The people like their monthly income. I've seen a few ETFs that paying weekly. They're paying like 5 cents a week. So I mean, that'd be a good if your kid could get that ETF. I forgot what it was called. The weekly something I forgot what it's called. I'll do a video about that. But I think it pays you weekly. So we're talking about you buying that for your child. They're like 10. They're getting 5 cents a week. But it's not a lot of money. But if you can reinvest that back to the stock, I don't think you can. But if you reinvest that 5 cents, I think it's always weekly is growing. So what's the best? It depends on your situation. Everyone's situation is different. But the older you are, the sooner you want the dividend, and the younger you are, the more time you can wait. But you should have a combination of both. You should have a monthly and quarterly. Sometimes quarterly, the monthly stocks will take the hit the first because they have to divvy out the dividends every single month. And yeah, that's what that's that. You have to do your own research and what's best for you. If you're a young person, then by time, buy quarterly, buy some monthly, buy mostly quarterly, which is fine. The quarterly ones pay more dividends anyway. If you look at it, I broke it down. Take a monthly paying stock, times that by 3, the dividend. You gain more money with the quarterly dividends paying stocks. And you broke down a quarterly stock to pay monthly, like Altria, it will pay you 16 cents a share. Not too bad. So that's what I'm telling people. Do your own research, what situation you're in. My goal is $500 a month in passive income and dividends every single month. So I'm invested heavily in monthly paying stocks, but you can do a little bit of both. You can do 60-40, 70-30, whatever you want to do, 50-50, whatever you want to do. It depends on your situation and your goal. Because the stock market, everybody has different goals. Do people puts and calls and put on contracts and buy and hold and day trading and doing investing. They do a lot of stuff. So what's your situation? What do you want to accomplish? And again, I'm not giving any financial advice. Do what you want to do. I'm just giving my personal opinion, but it's the things that you can do. Like for my son, it may be better to do quarterly dividend paying stock. He has not about time. And like I said, I'll probably do a 60-40, 4% quarterly and 60% monthly, but I might flip it to 60% quarterly and 40% monthly. So he's young. I probably go blue chip, fractional shares, a lot of ETFs. That way it's safer, a little bit safer. So for the long run, it pays dividends. Maybe some money in Tesla, Amazon, companies that, like Neo, companies that they're not big right now, but it may be big in 20, 30 years. So you got to look at that for your child as well. The dividends doesn't really matter. It does matter, but if you have a kid, buy stuff in a custodial account and put $10, $20 into Tesla, $10, $20 to Neo or these electric companies or Fisker or whatever these companies that are coming out big time now. It's probably a good investment for their future because your kid has time. So that's the end of my video. Please like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next time.